Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change administrator name in Windows 11 or your username or your Windows PC name. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. You want to go to accounts. Scroll down guys, go to user info. Scroll down. Want to go to related setting account, manage my account. You want to click on it. It will open on any browser. You want to go to use your info, click on here. Here you can add photos over here and you can eject name over here. Name, you can name it as anything you want it. Want to confirmation, you want to type here 6, you want to type whatever having captcha, want to type here guys 6 WV P L V 5 N. Save. Where username full name has changed over here guys. Close out of here. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.